The imperative mood in French is used to give commands, offer recommendations, give advice, or make polite requests, which in English is equivalent to saying, go, let's eat, be quiet, don't worry. While in English, the forms of commands are the same as the infinitive and can apply to anybody, in French, the imperative mood is present only in 3 grammatical persons: tu, nous, and vous. Parle, speak. Parlons, let's speak. Parlez, speak, to a group or politely. These are the grammatical persons that French has, but we have to understand the formation of the mood. For regular verbs, we take the present tense forms of tu, nous, and vous and drop the subject pronoun. We already saw how parler is used, and so in this case, we're simply using present tense conjugations. As a note, only the tu form of verbs drops the final is, like mange, regarde. Other verbs that end in ir and re will keep their s, like fini, attends. For irregular verbs, some forms just have to be remembered because there is no pattern that we can use for them. These verbs include être, avoir, savoir, vouloir, aller, and faire. While their forms may be irregular, it is somewhat possible to follow their endings in some pronouns. Some examples are sois gentil, be nice, ayons confiance, let's have confidence, veuillez patienter, please wait, formal, polite. When it comes to using pronouns with the imperative, there are 2 ways to do so: positive commands and negative commands. When saying affirmative commands, pronouns will follow the verb with a hyphen, and it is a written grammatical rule in French. The order of such commands will use the imperative verb plus a pronoun. Some examples are donne-le-moi, give it to me, dis-lui la vérité, tell him or tell her the truth, allez-y, go ahead. It is important to note that some pronouns can change in me or te, like me, moi, te, toi, except after i or on, where we drop a vowel and get elision. Examples of this kind are regardez-moi, vas-y, donne-moi. Now, let's see negative commands. Because French uses the structure ne, pas, this formation can be tricky. In the negative, pronouns go before the verb, like in normal sentences, where the order is ne plus a pronoun plus the verb plus pas. Some examples are ne me parle pas, don't talk to me, ne t'en fais pas, don't worry, n'y va pas, don't go there. Moreover, the nous and vous commands are the English equivalent of saying let's or giving a polite or plural command in formal instructions, recipes, or announcements, using the concepts from previously. Mangeons, let's eat. Allons-y, let's go. Parlez plus fort, speak louder. Levez-vous, stand up. As a special note, we always have to drop is in commands with two of verbs. However, when using I or on, we have to keep it for a smoother pronunciation and to avoid a vowel clash. This is purely phonetic, where the is makes the command easier to pronounce. At the same time, when using reflexive verbs, the pattern resembles the same order as with previous concepts, such as putting a reflexive pronoun after the verb with a hyphen or following the negative pattern. In the affirmative, the reflexive pronoun follows with a hyphen, with some pronouns changing form, and in the negative, it returns before the verb, staying as it is. Overall, this is how the imperative mood fully works in French.